Hi. Welcome to simpliRP ERP. For printing a tax invoice, go to Print Invoice. Select the From Date and To Date. By this you will get all the invoice in that date range. You can print the invoice in various formats that is suitable to you. Also, in the reports, customer reports, you can get invoice summary report. Again, you can select the date range. It will give the invoice summary for the selected date range. Here you can also get this report for a particular customer. Also, in the reports, customer reports, you can get detailed invoice report with all items in the invoice. In the selected range, this report will show all the items in each and every invoice. You can also filter this report, item-wise or customer-wise. You also click the link provided on the invoice number, which will open the tax invoice print screen directly. You can also copy-paste this report to Excel for further analysis. simpliRP ERP is the easiest way to manage your sales department. Thank you.